You want to help me? You want to help? You want to help? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just doing something a little different today. I'm gonna go ahead and do a cooking video. So I'm gonna make tacos de pollo. Sorry, excuse baby Rocky in the back. Okay, so for today, for the salsa, first to start, you guys have maybe seen it in my other video. If you haven't, go ahead and check it out. I'm gonna go ahead and put the link below for the salsa de aguacate, but I'm gonna go ahead and just show you in this video how I make the salsa de aguacate again if you haven't seen it. So we're gonna use avocados. I'm gonna just use 2 because I'm not gonna make too much. It's just gonna be pretty much for so 2 aguacates. I have 2 tomatillos and I already washed this. I'm gonna use Chile Serrano and then 1 ramo of cilantro. For the tacos, of course, I'm just gonna use the Guerrero tortillas, and then we're gonna cut up a slice of lettuce for the tacos. So pretty much right now I am just prepping everything. I'm just gonna prep the salsa. I'm gonna leave the tacos at the end because I do have to heat up the tortillas, get the chicken shredded, and then roll them up. So right now I am boiling the jitomates, which they're already done. So we're gonna turn that off, and then I'll be back with the rest. So let me go ahead and just show you how I blend the salsa. Just gonna add some agua. Not too much water because I don't like when it's too, probably that much water because I don't like when it's too watery. And then for my tomato salsa, I'm just gonna add a pinch of oregano. Just a little bit. We're gonna add some salt and then 1 garlic on the salsa. Now we have tacos wrapped up. We're gonna go ahead and start frying them. And this is the finished product, tacos de pollo. Alright, so thank you guys for watching this video. If you are new to my channel, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Also hit the notification bell so that you're notified every time that I do post a new video. And if you'd like to see any more cooking videos, please just let me know in the comments down below. See you guys in my next vlog. Bye!